Hare Krishna, Gauranga. We welcome you all to this auspicious occasion of the appearance day of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is none other than Krishna himself, who has come in this age of Kali to deliver all the contaminated souls with his Sankirtan movement, his pastime of delivering the two miscreants is very famous. Unfortunately, today we have a lot of Jagai and Madhais in every nook and corner of the world. Today also, the movement started by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is delivering these miscreants through his limitless Sankirtan movement, which also includes prasadam and book distribution. Today, due to the pandemic, where the world is reeling under various pressures, mental and physical, the devotees of Mahaprabhu are making a lot of efforts and taking lot of risk to reach the people with the vaccine of Harinam and Mahaprasadam. Let us see one such scenario where the miscreants of the society have taken this opportunity of fear and sad times to scam the people with fraudulent ways. At the same time, how some devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, risking their life, are spreading the Harinam and distributing prasadam.
What a party we had yesterday night. Woo! We enjoyed like anything, huh? Only thing is, during this corona, very difficult to get bottle. Still, we found the bottle, huh? And we drank full night. But head is spinning. Full hangover now. What is the time?
Hey, already 12. 12 noon.
Oh,
I'm feeling hungry. But where to go? All shops are closed. Really, I need something for my stomach. Now sound increasing in my stomach. You hear?
Whatever you say, life has become too difficult in this lockdown.
why?
But somehow we are so lucky.
Yes.
Our cash flow
Full high.
man. People are so much of scared, fearful, sitting inside the houses. But this is helping us to scam them.
Yes.
Let us enjoy.
Yes.
But especially senior citizens, they have become like sitting ducks.
Good, good.
Whatever you say, let us enjoy, man. Hey, I'm also feeling hungry. We need to eat something, man.
Yes.
What are you people hungry? Okay, we will find something. Don't worry.
But where?
There somebody is distributing food packet. Eh? Before it finishes, let us take it. Go. Come.
Hey, I need some packets. How much price?
Oh, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Please come in, queue, Prabhu. Oh, Krishna,
क्या कर दिया रे?
please wear your face mask. Corona is spreading very fast. We have to take precautions.
What? Precautions? We beautiful people. We are young, healthy, and rich too. Here. There is face mask as a necklace. We are so much hungry. We didn't have breakfast, Give us 6 packs. We cannot wait.
Very
You know
hungry,
who
very-
we are?
Very hungry. Hello.
Take.
Prabhuji, Hare Krishna, humble request, wait for some time. We'll distribute prasadam to everyone. People are dying due to pandemic. Wait for some time. Everyone will get prasadam.
So you want us also to die?
No, we can't.
Hey, give me 6 packets.
ले लो यार.
Give me 6 packets. Why do wait? You know who we are?
Yes.
धक्का मारो उसको.
Hey, looks like biryani, huh?
Huh?
Biryani. Oh, but tastes like khichdi. Hey, what is this? No meat, no bones. I don't like this.
Prabhuji,
What is?
it's Krishna Prasadam. It's offered to Krishna. It's for free. We are distributing free.
What? Prasadam free? I have free Tirtham for you. Rama Rasam. This is whiskey sanitizer. From outside and inside.
Oh,
Give.
Just try. Try this.
Open your mouth.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, we do not need all this. We are here to distribute prasadam, to sell transcendental books, and to give Harinam, Lord's holy name, to everyone. You will be blessed.
What? Sell books? Business during this time. Very good idea. We also have something to sell. Huh? Remove that. Give us some space here. We will also sell. We have some good things to sell for mankind. This whiskey. People will be happy and blissful.
Corona time.
Give some time. Give some space. Give some space.
No, Prabhu.
Give some space here.
No, Prabhuji, this is not business. This is service to mankind. You can also buy one of these books and read it in your free time and give it to your family as well. They will be very happy and blissful.
Okay. But first, give us food. Then we will decide whether to take book or not to take book. Okay? Hey, don't wait here. Take the food. Take and come. Take this book. Take. Yeah, chalo. Come back.
Oh, no problem. He has taken Bhagavad Gita. no?
Yes, Prabhuji, Bhagavad
Let us hope that this Bhagavad Gita will be helpful for him. Srila Prabhupada has injected so many seeds through his books. Let us hope that this Bhagavad Gita will also change his life. Maybe over the period of time, his soul will take shelter of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Today, this is our seva to Guru and Gauranga. Let us chant 3 times. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
As the days went by, the pandemic was becoming stronger and destroying the livelihoods of a lot of people. Strict lockdown and controls was creating a sense of fear amongst the general people. Many were losing their jobs. Many suddenly succumbed to the virus, young and old. The family members were not even allowed to perform the final rites of the people who died. This was creating a lot of anxiety and fear. All the so-called developed major economies were brought down to their knees. The devotees of the Lord could see all this and were using all the available means to spread the Hari Nam. They were convinced that the Hari Nam is the only antidote that can save mankind. World over, many yajnas and sacrifices were happening. This was a classic example where social media was being put to good use to propagate devotional service. Let's see how some devotees are helping the people in distress and anxiety.
Hello, can I speak to Rasapriya madam? Hello, can you hear me?
Hare Krishna Mataji. Yes, I can hear you. But you sound a little scared. Is everything okay? How are you? How can I help you, Mataji?
ओह थैंक यू मैडम। मुझे ज़्यादा इंग्लिश तो नहीं आती, लेकिन मैंने सुना है कि आप भगवत गीता के ऑनलाइन क्लास ले रहे हो। क्या हम लोग ज्वाइंट हो सकते हैं? हमने सुना है कि इस दुख के समय में भगवत गीता के क्लास से हमें बहुत शांति मिलती है।
हाँ माताजी, क्यों नहीं। आपको सिर्फ एक ऑनलाइन फॉर्म भरना होगा जो बहुत ही आसान है। उसमें आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। आपको सिर्फ आपके थोड़े से डिटेल्स देने होंगे और अगर आपको उसमें कुछ कष्ट हो रहा है तो आप मुझे दे दीजिए, मैं वो फॉर्म फिल कर सकती हूँ।
इस क्लास की फीस कितनी है? देखिए, अभी इस लॉकडाउन के समय में हमारे पास ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं हैं। अगर ज़्यादा फीस हुई तो हम नहीं दे पाएंगे।
अरे माताजी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। इसके लिए कोई पैसे नहीं लगेंगे, ये बिल्कुल फ्री है। और आप आपके दोस्तों और आपके जितने भी फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं, आप उनको भी इस क्लास के लिए इनवाइट कर सकते हैं। हम आप सभी का स्वागत करते हैं।
धन्यवाद मैडम। पता नहीं मैं आपका धन्यवाद कैसे करूं। आपको फ़ोन पे मिलने से पहले मैं बहुत डर रही थी। कैसे आप लोग इस कठिन परिस्थिति में भी अपना वक्त निकाल के ये सब काम कर लेते हो। धन्य हो आप लोग। हमें आशीर्वाद दीजिए कि भगवान की कृपा इस कठिन परिस्थिति में भी हम पर बनी रहे।
बिल्कुल चिंता मत कीजिए, हम सभी आपके लिए प्रार्थना ज़रूर करेंगे। देखिए माताजी, ये सब कली का काल है। ये बहुत ही बुरा समय चल रहा है हम सब के लिए, लेकिन ये भगवान चैतन्य महाप्रभु जो स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण है, इस कलयुग में उन्होंने अवतार लिया है हम सभी जीवात्माओं को इस कली काल से उठाने के लिए और हमारा उद्धार करने के लिए। He is very merciful, Mataji, and He will help us no matter what, so that we will be able to go back to Godhead. Hare Krishna. Now let us hear what Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has to say about this easy process of chanting His holy name, which will help us during these difficult times.
नाम नामकारि बहुधा निज सर्वशक्ति तत्रार्पिता नियमित स्मरणेन कालः एतादृशी तव कृपा भगवन् ममापि दुर्दैवमीदृशं विहा जनिनानुरागः।
The holy name of the Lord can alone render all benedictions to the living beings. And the Lord, who has hundreds and millions of names, like Lord Krishna, Govinda, in these transcendental names, He has invested all His transcendental energies. There are no hard and fast rules for chanting these names. He can be easily approached by His holy names. Any situation you are in, the Lord and especially the holy name is capable of relieving you from all miseries. Please take the shelter of holy name and chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.